Okay, so in this guide, what I'm going to do, right, I'm going to show you how you install this simple Bitnami WordPress, yeah, offline, yeah, I think developer thing. Okay, so after clicking and running it as administrator, we just have to wait for a message to pop up, for a window to pop up on the screen, which we're going to follow. Okay. At this part, we just click OK. Then a window will just show up. Okay, you just click next, and yes, make sure this one is ticked. Then click next, and this is our location we are going to install our program. Then click next. Okay, this should be empty. So I tried running an installation which kind of failed, so let me just delete this one. Make sure you just delete any previous file if you have it. Okay, now let's click next. Then I'm going to write my username here, my real name on it, then my email address at Gmail. This will be used when you forgot your password. My username, just say user. Okay, let me just say empty Tunzi, just like, okay, just like this. Then I set my password, confirm my password, then I click on next. Yes, my website will be, let me just say it's LWM. Click next. No, just click next. Yes, just keep the defaults on. Okay, so let me just disconnect from the internet. Let me just, so that you can see that this one will be run offline. Then click next. Just wait for it to install the program. Okay. Okay, now that it's almost completing, unpacking these files. Okay, so this one will pop up. Just make sure you allow everything from all type of networks here. Just click on allow. Okay, click on yes. Then you have to click access WordPress. So it's going to direct us to our WP admin page where we're going to do our thing. You know, if you may. Yeah. Okay. Let me just click on open HPP admin. Okay. No, it's using information from another year. Okay, now we have to do this, right? Then WP, okay, WP admin, just like that. Then we have to enter our credentials, the one which we logged up using. Okay, yes, I still remember it was like this, right? Then I placed a password. That one. I hope this one is correct. Now this is our back end of our website using Bitnami, and we are doing this one offline. So I can just click on save password here. Then let me just have a preview of our website, which is being created offline. As you can see, this is our website. So it's kind of like we've successfully built a website, but now on the next video we want to customize everything from ground zero until we have a blog website or something which is good other than this, which you can see. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture or a video guide or lecture. Yeah, cheers. Come on, stop recording.